Hello friends, hope all are doing well. Today I'm going to start about the assignments. Today we are going to cover mainly two things. One is the legal entity part, another one is the general ledger part. Those assignments I'm going to give you in detail so that if you can do the practice independently, that one will help you a lot based on your understanding. You can able to clear the interviews and you can able to attend for client calls. You can able to capture detailed information, make it a documentation as well. The documentation and all our part, it has been completed. Only thing is that how those configuration it has to do, those assignments today I'm sharing on here. So the first and very important thing is in here. Today I'm going to give you, first you should have to create a new legal entity. When you are going to create a new legal entity, at the time what are all the setups and configuration you should have to configure it, and based on the country specific selections, especially if it is the India localization or if it is the USA localization, how things you should have to select be carefully. For that I'm giving an assignment today is create a new legal entity. The new legal entity name is Dynamics Global Edge IT Solutions with the localization of India localization based on Hyderabad, Telangana state, create a new legal entity. This is the assignment one. And assignment two is as per Indian government rules and regulation, how you should have to create a fiscal calendar. Let us take for our better understanding financial year. Right, in India, 1st April to 31st March, how you can able to create. And generally we used to have 12 months. For each quarter, we do have 3 months. Total 4 quarters we used to have. How we can able to create those 12 months. Once if you created a one full-fledged fiscal calendar, how those periods will be splitted into that, like whether it is only 12 periods or 14 periods or 13 periods, how that could be. Once if you create and complete so that you can able to understand that one. And then this is the second scenario. Third scenario is I am asking you to create a chart of accounts and okay. So in this chart of account, I am asking you to create a main account. Once if you create a main account, what are all the main account types we are having? What is the use of main account category for a proper classification? It will help in terms of when you are going to configuring your financial reports like balance sheet or profit and loss. It will help you. This is the assignment 3. Assignment 4 is how to create a financial dimensions for Dynamics Global Edge IT solution. If I ask you to create a financial dimensions like business unit, cost center, department, how you can able to create. And if you want to add a values, how you can able to add those values. So I'm just asking you to create a financial dimensions as well. This is the assignment of 4. And the 5th one is I'm asking you to create an accounting structure. In this accounting structure, the combination of main account range all, and then when you are going to select any main account, system should ask business unit, cost center, department, and location. This system should be asked as a dimension whenever you select a main account, especially any kind of the transactions for consistency of the data entry. This is the 6th one on here. And the 7th one, recurring journal. First of all, what is the recurring journal? Suppose if you are going to pay 50,000 rupees rental expenses, how that recurring journal will help you. Now, Dynamics Global Edge IT solution want to pay rental on every month 50,000, yearly 12 times, monthly once. How you can able to create and make it recurring journal? Just create a template. And another one is virtual template. So now let us take an example, Dynamics Global Edge IT solution. They are mainly posting some kind of transactions very repetitively. For that, Dynamics Global Edge want to use a virtual template. How, where we can able to use. Just take an example, like where they used to pay travel expenditure. That is the common for on day-to-day business operation. So let's create a virtual template for travel expenditure. How we can able to create? Just create one. Then once if you created, so you can connect with your particular mentor and do validation. And the next one, it is the ledger allocation. You know, right? If you want to know each product wise profitability, you should know you should know each product level distribution of indirect expenditure as well. Suppose if Dynamics Global Edge IT solution want to split 1 lakh rupee advertisement, that advertisement like they want to distribute on the business units and locations along with cost center in the department. So for the particular things, so they are asking you to split that amount. So those amount, it can be particularly on particular dimensions wise, especially the business unit wise. So they want to split. How you can able to split? What are the setups and configuration is required for ledger allocation? Make it ready, and once if it is clear and made it, if you can able to split those things and 25% each business unit wise where the product it is, so that you can check with your mentor to validate all the setups and configuration have you done it is clear enough. And the next one on here, you can see this one, ledger calendar. You know, right? Physical calendar, we have given an assignment. And very important thing is that ledger calendar. In that ledger calendar, what are the functionalities we are having, like open, on hold, permanently closed, or groups, or particular modules. These and all are what is the use. We should know that as a consultant or as an end user, if you want to work on Microsoft Dynamics 365 finance and operation. So for that, how you can able to make it. And then the next assignment it is about the main account analysis. So once if you are going to create a one chart of accounts, in this chart of account, if you are going to create a main account, within the main account level, we do have many options like when you are going to create a main accounts like Bank of America. The first and very important, we are giving the banking account number 101010 and name is Bank of America. And the next very important thing is that what it is exactly, whether it is asset, liability, equity, revenue, or expenditure. Okay, and then main account category. And then we do have many things. So what are all those each and every options? You should be in the position to explain it because as a functional consultant, as a finance level, you must be in the position to explain it each and every field. So this is the expectation. Make sure each and everything, if it is completed, talk to your mentor. Your mentor will connect with you and validate. Once the validation is completed, the final test, the trainer will be connected and will give you, your acknowledgement how you are perfect in this general ledger module on here. If anyone have any questions, any concerns, or trainings, or placement support, or interview support, or your job support, corporate training, or any resource requirement, or any support kind of, please get in touch with Dynamics Global Edge IT Solution. Their contact details you can find in the description. Thank you. Have a wonderful day.